Hello, people. Gather round. For today, I shall delight you with a tale of innovation and convenience that has made wrinkles tremble in fear and fabrics breathe a sigh of relief. Yes, my friends, I'm talking about none other than the remarkable invention known as the clothes iron. So, grab your favorite chair, sit back, and let's dive into the steamy saga of the clothes iron. Our story begins not in a grand laboratory or a bustling factory, but in the humble abodes of ancient civilizations. As far back as 3000 BC, our ancestors were already in pursuit of wrinkle-free perfection. Their early attempts involved hot stones and flat metal objects, which were rudimentary at best. But hey, they tried. Wrinkled clothes were not in style, even in ancient Mesopotamia. Fast forward a few centuries, and we find ourselves in the heart of ancient China. They were no strangers to the quest for wrinkle-free elegance. Chinese inventors created what can be considered the granddaddy of our modern iron, a contraption known as the pan. It was a slab of metal with a wooden handle attached. They would fill it with hot coals and press it on their garments. It was effective, but I dare say it lacked the finesse we now demand from our appliances. Meanwhile, over in Europe, the Middle Ages were a period of intense ironing innovation. Crafty housewives would use a simple triangular piece of metal heated over an open flame to press out wrinkles. It was primitive, but it got the job done. Imagine doing your laundry without your trusty iron. A horrifying thought indeed. Now, here comes the exciting part of our story, the Industrial Revolution. As factories sprung up like mushrooms after a rainstorm, so did the need for efficient ironing solutions. Enter the world's first patented flat iron, which came to life in 1822 courtesy of one Caleb Whitefoord. It was a game changer, my friends, a true revolution in the world of laundry. But our story doesn't end there. Oh no. The mid-19th century saw the emergence of the first truly recognizable clothes iron. Thanks to the ingenious work of Henry W. Seeley, we were gifted with the electric flat iron in 1882. It was a boxy contraption, quite heavy, and had to be constantly reheated. But it was a step in the right direction. The real game changer, however, was the steam iron. In 1926, Thomas Sears introduced the world to the first steam iron, a contraption that combined heat and water vapor to tackle even the most stubborn of wrinkles. It was like magic. No more sprinkling water and waiting for ages to see results. The clothes iron, as we know it today, was born. Since then, our beloved clothes iron has evolved with the times. From basic models to high-tech steam generators with digital displays, it has become a staple in every household. It's a symbol of progress, an emblem of the relentless human pursuit of convenience, and a savior for fashionistas and professionals alike. So, my dear friends, the next time you grab your sleek, modern clothes iron, take a moment to appreciate the journey it has taken to get here. From ancient pan-like contraptions to steam-powered marvels, the clothes iron has truly come a long way. And who knows what exciting innovations lie ahead in the world of wrinkle-fighting technology. The adventure continues, my friends.